Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome Amazon Basics pen and pencil cup. I think this is such a great design for my office. It's very simple, but it's also elegant. It has a very nice wire mesh material, so it helps me keep all the pens and markers in my desktop organized and easily accessible. It's a pretty good size too, so you can not only fit pens and pencils, you can also fit markers and scissors, whatever you need. This will do the trick. The material is very well made, it's pretty strong and sturdy, and I've had it for a while now, so you know this will last you a very long time. So if you're looking to get a pen cup to have everything in your desktop organized, I really recommend this one by Amazon Basics, and that is my point of view.